Good morning, everyone. It's 9:47 here in the West Coast. I want to bring you guys another update on this phone with the top 4 apps or 4 essential apps I think will be really good to get. So why I say 4 is because in every window, you can fit up to 4 apps. So I already downloaded some of these. If you want to see my other videos on the other apps and also the unwrapping of my awesome laptop, please watch them too. I appreciate all those likes that some people have been giving me. I really appreciate them. It means a lot to me. So the 4 apps I'm talking about today are, to start off, Wallpaper Studio 10, the Emergency Kit, Perfect Note, and Baconit. So let's go into one. Oh, well, let's pin these to the start. So once you download them from the app, let's go back to the home screen. Sorry about that. Once you download from the store, let's say I download Emergency Kit, you can, all these apps are free, so then they will appear here at the recently added, and these are the 4 that I recently added. So I already moved one to the start. Let's move this one to the start, and it will automatically prompt you to the home screen. And let's go back here again, move all 4 there. Guess I didn't register my touch. Here we go. And then one more time. Perfect Note. Okay. Pin to start. Okay. So now we got these 4 here. Let's put them all together in one window. Make them smaller. There we go. There we go. And this is the perfect way to organize your Windows screen. Actually, I really like this layout. Another future video, I'm probably gonna go over how to the comparisons, contrast between this phone versus a Samsung versus an iPhone layout. So let's just go into one of these apps first. So let's go into the Windows Studio 10. What I think is awesome about this app is because once you start up, it gives you the home screen, the latest, the most popular, weekly popular, monthly popular wallpapers. These are all free. You can actually even use these on your Windows 10 desktop. It can coordinate for you and everything. And these are like high resolution pictures. I mean, you can look at the categories, and then like, especially for the girls, I know I don't have much girl viewers here, but then like, let's say the girls like to look at let me see what's good here. Or there's girls like romantic stuff. So if they want that as their wallpaper, they can post a heart, the roses, the dog, like this doggy. Maybe some girls like like it. So then once you click on it, you can actually save it. So then actually you go up here. Do you want to set this as your lock screen wallpaper, or to the selected image? And you could click on all devices. When you click on all devices, it tells you that you can, if this phone and all your Windows 10 devices like your laptop or your desktop, and even probably a tablet, have the same account as your probably Hotmail login, then they will sync it for you. And then it says that it takes up to 1 hour to post. I don't have that capability or time to show you guys that right now. I will test it out and see, to let you guys know in the future if it actually takes an hour to all sync up. But I think they probably do it faster. But let's say I want to set this one. I only set it one time. It's asking me to enable synchronization. Well, we don't have that time again right now, but maybe in the future video, if I get to play with this more, then I will show you. So honestly, so they want to ask me to make this centered. So let's put this dog right in the middle. And there we go. There. Now it says your lock screen has been successful. I guess to test that out, we could just go to lock screen. And let's see if it works actually. There we go. Wow. So it actually does a good job, and it posts the picture right there. So let's say I want to try another picture. Let's log in first. There we go. Not sure what this is. Oh, that's an advertisement. So that's one of the drawbacks about this app. is because there's lots of advertisement. People actually comment on that when you download this app, but then I think overall that's not a big deal. So then we'll go back here. We'll go to the home screen. Actually, it's in the categories. I actually like abstracts a lot. I think everyone likes abstracts. It's like you see things that are like makes your mind like think, oh, this is cool, you know. So let's say I like this colorful one right here, bubble like features, and I want to set this to my desktop background. So I'm gonna set this time. I'm not gonna do all devices, which I think is an awesome feature. And look at that. I think this is a nice abstract, so I press OK. The check mark, come on. Okay. It says there was an error. That's interesting. That's interesting. Let's try this again, actually. It says to try it again. Sorry about that. I thought it would be a lot easier. Let's try a different one then. Let's try this one right here. And it's no, actually the wrong one. This one, the desktop. Oh, see, now it says this was successful. I guess there was a small glitch. It didn't want to work the first time. So if I go to the home screen, there we go. We see the background, and it's pretty nice. Like, you can change this all the time. So let's go back into the app. And there's another advertisement. So yeah, there's a lot of advertisements here. Maybe it's not like, you know, you just have to tap it once or twice to get through it. So the best thing about these is you can actually sync it up with your Microsoft Band, which I don't have. I'm not don't know too much about it. There's a history, your folders of downloads of wallpapers, which I don't have any yet. When you save them, you can save them to your folder. Your favorites, which I don't have any favorites yet. And then obviously, yeah, the thing is, like, I'm showing you these videos, and I only just downloaded this app like probably like 5 minutes ago. Like, I just think they're really cool apps to get. Okay, and what I wanted to say was, let's go back to categories. So yeah, there's a lot of categories. I think there was one more thing I might be missing. You can remove the advertisements here, but then it might cost you like a couple bucks for this app to do that. So you go to settings, and you can show these enable synchronizations, push messages, and this is what I was trying to say, the slideshow. The slideshow can change from 15 minutes to 1 week. If you're interested in having lots of wallpaper, and like, let's say most likely girls would like to like switch their wallpapers once in a while, or even guys like to do that, you can rotate them, right, as a slideshow. So you could do it every 15 minutes, download a couple wallpapers, and they'll start swapping in and out by themselves. And you could do them, enable the lock screen to do that, or your wallpaper screen to do that on your desktop. So I think these are very, very awesome features on this phone. And the thing about this app is it's exclusively Windows 10. I think I took a screenshot of it just to show you guys the information. But basically, yeah, I think this app is worth the time to download. The next one, let's go into the emergency kit. And what I think is important about this is you can say this phone saved your life if you have an emergency kit. So it says, welcome to emergency kit. Tap to edit your create emergency profile. You can, like, you know, have someone called ICE. What's ICE? In case of emergency, right? So you will set up someone there if you wanted to do that. So again, this is my first time using this. You can share your location, which I'm not going to do. So you're going to test out the LED flashlight. So let's put my hand like right here. And there we go. We see a flashlight right when you press on that button. So let's turn it off. Okay. Next, you got hazard light. What's a hazard light? Oh, there's a hazard on the road or at home or somewhere. You need some help or notify people that there's a hazard. This is a hazard light. Screen will not sleep while on this page. So it's telling you that it's going to work for you until it basically dies. And then the SOS Morse code. Like, how many of us know how to do SOS Morse codes? I don't know how. So I'm going to use the app to do it. and this is the light for the Morse code. And someone who has training within that area can see the distress signals, and they can help you out right away. Next, let's go into the siren alarm. It sounds pretty annoying. We'll turn that one off. Let's go to SOS Morse code. I think this is really important. Let's say you're on a boat and you need some help. You know, somehow like you need a lifeguard to save you by radio. This would be really good. For radio signals, this is probably one of the best. And then lock screen ID. What's that? Looks like you can activate it by putting your name, emergency contacts, any allergies, medications you take, your notes, your blood type, your birthday, and then you can activate it on your home screen, on your lock screen. Well, I'm not going to do that right now. And these are all the other icons that you can click on, because that's like your profile picture. Looks like allergies or medicines, your birthday, stuff like your blood type. I think that's cool. I think this app is pretty cool. Like, honestly, this can probably save your life. Let's say you're being attacked by someone, or like you just need general help. You can just use one of these Morse codes or siren alarms and stuff like that. Like, people might be to pay attention and be like, "What's that? What's that sound?" and rush to your help. Next one, let's go into the. I think this is the note. Trying to catch my breath here. Okay, so perfect note. What I liked about this, actually, I did try it. So then one of the things I did try was last night, right when I downloaded the app, was this thing called in the ideas tab. Like, you have different ideas, right? Like different folders. Oops, I don't want to go into tutorial. It shows you what to do, which I think is self-explanatory. You don't have to take the time to do it if you just play with the app or just watch my video a little bit. So in the ideas tab, I said I want to do YouTube, and I put down the alarm at 7:02. So actually, to be honest, it did keep snoozing me at in the morning. It just kept telling me, okay, wake up, you need to do your video. And then well, it's almost 10 o'clock, and but still, I'm still doing it, right? So basically, what does this mean? Check mark means that you did it, I think. What does this mean? Oh, I think you're gonna add more stuff to do on YouTube. So I'm gonna say post YouTube. Okay. And that's it. Oops, clicking too much. That's what you get for like not knowing this app too much. So you choose a contact, but no, I don't need to choose a contact. So let me see. I think that's it. What am I missing? Oh, if you wanted to share it with the other kind of apps on your phone, but no, that's not interesting. So, I think I'm just gonna leave it alone for now. Trying to figure this out. Oh, okay. So now that I did check off YouTube, I think it was this button here that I checked it off, and then it went away. And now I unchecked it. So let's check it again. There we go. So once you check that first little box, it says that you already finished the task. Okay. So the other stuff is like things you might want to add, like work. You want to, let me see, mail, email the manager. So email manager. Okay. So you press check mark, and then it'll be a reminder tab basically. But then what I'm trying to say is, let's say you want to go to projects. Oh no, not projects. Let's go to personal, and you need to pick up your kids. Like, you know, they're getting off school, so let's see, pick up kids. You press yes. Actually, I need to edit this one. So you want to put in the time zone. So let's say today you want to pick up your kids at 3 o'clock when they get off school, like 2:30. You have to get there early, right? You don't want your kids to wait. So go to 2:30 and press OK. So repeat tasks. You want to do this every day, right? For weekly. No, every day. Because then for every day you have to pick up your kids. show countdown in live tile. I think like so when the window screen, the home screen, there's a tile. I think it tells you the time, how much time is left. But then this thing will snooze, and like let's say at 2:30 you forgot you had to pick up your kids at 3. So then like this will keep snoozing until you turn it off. So I think this is pretty cool. It will remind you and keep you organized throughout your day what to do. So let's go back here. So let's go back here. So like again, it outlines everything for you, organized, and then in your personal tab, you can see that you have to pick up kids. Let's see what time. It tells you today at 2:30. Okay, and it has an alarm for itself. That you saw that alarm at work. You want to email the manager, but you didn't put it up. Set up an alarm for it to remind you. But basically, it will do that for you. And then let's go into. So it's just different tabs for different folders for the same feature. So you can actually search it too. Let's search the task. Let's say kids. Oh, so it shows up pick up kids and it'll pull it up right for you. Okay. So let's say you already picked up your kids and it's already 4 o'clock. And then you go back here, and there again, it crosses it off for you. Go back here. It should go away after a while. Okay. There you go. It went away because you already crossed it off your list. And your kids are home safe. Okay, let's go into the last one. This one's pretty simple to use. I think people use Reddit, and this is Baconit. So once you pull up Baconit, it has like all these front page articles of what's been popular. Let's read something cool. Marilyn Monroe without makeup in New York in 1955. I didn't know how she looked like, but this is what they're saying she looks like. So this is like an awesome app for you. People say like, oh, they're bored at home and not at home, at work, and they're trying to pass time. You know, you're on break, you want to read something interesting. You can pull up this app, and there's tons of articles that people are posting. You can comment on them, see what people are saying, seeing what's out in the news. Even in the Marilyn Monroe, this is back in 1955. That's like 60 years ago, and this is how she looks like, you know. So you could talk about this. It's a good conversation starter. So basically, how do you make a Game Boy phone? Okay, if you're interested in reading that. Ratings for Grammys down. I guess the Grammys ratings were pretty low. I'm surprised about that. I didn't actually get to watch it. So there's also all these information here that you can comment with this messaging box here. I don't know what the other ones do yet until this thing loads, and I'll try it out for a second. I know this video is getting a little bit longer, but I hope you do enjoy these. I do plan to post more, especially with my workout ones. I'm trying to make like this being my last contribution to well, that's another story. So I'm surprised that this takes a while, I guess, if you have the time to wait. So it pulls it up and it goes into a big article. Grammy Awards draws almost 25 million viewers, lowest audience since 2009. And who do we see? I think that's Taylor Swift, but whatever. I don't think she's that crazy, but it talks. Oops, this post is too big. Open an Edge. So tap anywhere to open Edge is your Microsoft web page, the Internet Explorer. So if you think you need to open it there, you can go there. I like that it can do that. So it does open up Internet Explorer and it brings you right to that page. But the thing is, you wouldn't be able to find this article unless you knew about it. So the best way to find out the latest news and what people are reading about and what's going on is to download this thing called Baconit, and then we'll store a big database of interesting information. Let me see. What else is interesting? Scavenger hunts. This dude. It's just like random stories, right? Something about Tim Cook opposes FBI order. Apple to unlock iPhone setting up shutdown. I heard about that kind of glitch where you set up a certain day and then it shuts down your phone and you can't even do anything about it. So that's about it. These are the 4 apps that I was really, really interested in. I think it's pretty awesome. I don't know if the other Androids or iPhone has these kind of apps, but I think for Windows, especially that Windows 10 wallpaper one, that's an awesome feature. Like you get as much high quality wallpapers as you want, and you can shuffle them in your SLIDESHOW, and you can synchronize with your desktop, tablet, whatever other devices, other phones, and or even if your husband has your own account, or like your partner has another phone with your account on there for Microsoft, then you can sync up those pictures as well. And I think the emergency, quick rundown with the emergency one, I think it's an awesome app to save your life and take some good notes. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like it or post a comment, subscribe if you guys can. I enjoy doing these, and please let me know. Have a nice day.